Take the SIM card out of the camera, stick it down in the computer. Open, find the mouse here, there it is. Open the file folder. Make sure it finds the removable disk. And then you have your DCM files. Next, you come over here to MP4 joiner, run it. Go click Add Video. We go down to our removable disk, DCM, find the date, which is 02, see, 27. So if you go to 0207, grab all three of these, select them all, say open. There they are. Check to make sure that they're in order. 13, 14, 15. Then you say join. And then you want to make sure you put this on your desktop in church videos. And we put it in as the date, which is 2-7-2021. And then you let them join.